Hey guys, we have a real quick video today. We're going to show you how to change the engine air filter on your Kia Soul. This is a simple fix that will only take you a few minutes, and it will save you a lot of money to do it on your own. So let's get going. Obviously, the first step is to pop the hood open. And the engine air filter is here, under this box. So to open this up, we need to unclip these two clips. One here, and the other one there. You can use a screwdriver to help you reach it, or if you have small enough hands, you can do it with your hands. Next, you want to pull this plastic cover off. The cover is clipped here, and so you can't just pull straight up. You need to pull it sideways first, and then you can pull up. And that gives you the access to the air filter. And here it is. As you can see, these filters collect a lot of junk that would make its way up to the engine, so it's important to change these out regularly. Now all we have to do is replace it with a new one. Here's our old one, and here's our new air filter. If you need to find an air filter for your Kia Soul, you can pick these up at any automotive store, or follow the link below. Now we just put it back in place. Make sure it's in the same direction. And we slide the cover back on, and clip it in place. That's really all there is to it. If you need to learn how to change the cabin air filter on your vehicle, then check out this video. Please take the time to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching.